Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. So let's get started. So I have 2 chicken breasts. I'll cut off any excess fat. There's just a little bit on here. I have some parchment paper because I'll be placing my chicken breasts on the parchment paper and flatten out my chicken. So I have my chicken in my parchment paper. Now I'll flatten my chicken. You want it nice and flat. That looks good. So I'll place this off to the side. And I'll do the same to the second chicken breast, get all the excess fat off. So now I have a second parchment paper. I'll place the chicken breast between it. You can see that. And do the same to this one. That looks good. So I'll place this one off to the side and go clean off my counter and my hands. In my frying pan I have a little bit of olive oil, so I'll put my burner on medium-high. I'll salt and pepper my chicken and place it salt and pepper side down. And then salt and pepper the other side. A little bit of salt, pepper. Now I'll go get the other chicken breast. Salt, pepper. Salt and pepper this side. You want to brown your chicken on each side. I have my oven set at 350 because I'll cook it the rest of the way in my oven. I'll place my lid on top. Try to keep the splatter down. And then in a few minutes I'll flip it over. Now I'm ready to flip my chicken over. That looks good. I'll let it brown on this side for a few minutes, and then I'll put it in my baking dish. Now I'll turn my burner off because my chicken is ready to come out of my frying pan and to go into my casserole dish. So I have my oven on 350. I have my casserole dish on my counter. I'll place the chicken in. I call this chicken my green chili chicken with cheese. So now that the chicken is browned on both sides, I have a 7-ounce can of green chili. So I'll open that up. I don't need to salt and pepper my chicken because you can still see the pepper on here. I also have 1 jar of the salsa con queso. It's the medium. So I'll open it up. So I opened up my jar. I'll place my chicken off to the side. I have the bowl in front of me. I'll place the 7 ounces of green chili in my bowl. Along with the 1/2 cup of this cheese. So now I'll place that in with the green chilies. Mix it around. So now I'll place this mixture right on top of my 2 chicken breasts. I'll place some aluminum foil on top. Now that I have my foil on top, I'll place this in my 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. So into the oven it goes. Now to clean up. So the side dish that I'm serving with my green chili chicken is I peeled and cut up about 5 potatoes. I pre-boiled them just enough so it's fork tender. So now I'll cut these into bite sizes. You just want to make sure that your potatoes are just fork tender. I have my frying pan on the stove with 4 tablespoons of butter. I'll place this in my frying pan. So now I'll place my potatoes in and go continue on with the rest. A few more left to dice up. I'm just dicing it up into bite-sized pieces. Get the rest of my potatoes. That's perfect. So it was 5 large potatoes. Now place the rest of my potatoes in. I'll salt and pepper them. I pre-boiled them to speed up the process. I'll mix them around. My chicken is still in the oven. It smells really good. So I'll let this fry for a few minutes, mix it, and then I'll put my cheese on top. So now I'll stir them around. You want to be gentle with them because you don't want them to be mashed potatoes. Okay. On top of these potatoes, I'm going to put the rest of this cheese sauce on top, and it's a 15-ounce jar. Remember, I took a 1/2 cup of cheese I already had to place on top of my chicken, so I'm using the rest of this cheese sauce to go on top of my potatoes. And this will be my side dish with my green chili chicken. So you want to gently fold the potatoes into the cheese sauce so that all your potatoes are covered. looks good. Now it's optional. If you like, you can put some bacon bits on top. So I have about 1/8 of a cup of bacon bits, and I'll just sprinkle on top. Now doesn't that look good? I'll turn my burner on to simmer just to keep the potatoes warm. So now I'll give it a try. Got the bacon bits, the cheese, perfect bite. So now it's time for my green chili chicken to come out of the oven. I can really smell it. It smells good. I'll take my foil off. Oh yeah, doesn't that look good? So now I'll place a piece of this chicken on my plate. That looks good. Take a little of the gravy, pour it on top. Now I'll place some potatoes right off to the side. Doesn't this look good? So now I'll salt the potatoes, the chicken, give it a little pepper. Oh yeah. Try a bite of the potatoes. It's got the bacon on it. Really good. Now I'll try a piece of the chicken. Got the green chili on top. That's really good. This is really good. Give it a try. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my green chili chicken and my side dish of potatoes. Enjoy. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.